Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my creative crochet studio. Today I would like to show you my temperature project, which is a rainbow temperature caterpillar, and every month I add one ball to the caterpillar's body. This is the caterpillar which I made in March. There are 3 balls: January, February and March, and as you can see the colors are changing from the blue to green, and already the yellow color was used in March. I used 5 colors: blue and green and yellow. The yellow was the first used. And now let's continue with the April. I marked the highest temperature on my project sheet. I usually work on my temperature project after 7 or 10 days. And yeah, let's look at the first week. The temperatures were quite fine. There were few colder days. Let's look at the temperature scale. So the green for 13 till 16, then yellow. The temperatures about 17 and 20, then light green. Few colder days, so I used the light blue, then light green. Yeah, and this is it. Regarding rows, I worked in spiral rounds, starting with a magic ring, and then I work 6 single crochet stitches, and I increase by 6. So 6, then 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. 48 is the last row with increase, and then I work 1 single crochet in each single crochet and keep the same number of stitches. Okay, so let me mark the number of stitches. For the first row, for the first day I use 2 rows, and for the second day as well. Then I work in rounds and increasing by 6, and once I reach 48 stitches I use 1 day for the half round. Okay, so round number 7, 8, 9, and then 1 day for a half round. Okay, so from number 9 row I work in half rounds. The reason is to create a nice ball and to have it nicely shaped. Okay, next days. We had an Easter holidays, so we spent them with the family out of Prague. We have a beautiful weekend house in the mountains, so we spent several days there, and it was a bit colder weather there. yeah, as you can see, the weather was still really springy, so round number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. This is it, and I keep 48 stitches in the row. And looking at the colors, the yellow, green, the first pink color, hooray, and the first violet color as well. So there are two records in the middle of the April. It was so really hot, almost the summer, but only for a few days. So guys, I will keep continue crocheting, starting with the pink and this beautiful violet. I also prepared the yellow, green and light green. I'm finishing the yellow round. The colors are so bright, really beautiful. I'm so happy I chose this yarn. It's Yarn Dolly. So 10 more days. Okay. Oh, yeah. It's really fun. It's really fun to change the colors according to temperatures. So I will keep continue crocheting and measuring. The end of April was quite fine again. There were 3 or 4 colder days, but not so big change as we faced at the beginning, and we finished with 21 degrees, which is the pink color. It's great. And guys, I will also start decreasing again by 6 stitches, so from 48 to 42, 36, 30, 24, 18, 12 and 6. Okay. So I will use the green, light green, then yellow, and yeah, I will finish with the pink color. It will be beautiful. I started with green and now will finish with the pink. It's time to decrease. Let me show you my method. I highly recommend to do invisible decrease when you work in front loops only. So start crocheting in the next stitch inside the hook and front loop, and then again in next stitch front loop. Pull yarn through both front loops, then yarn over and pull yarn through both loops on your hook. Once you have the ball almost finished, use the stuffing. Great, I just finished the ball. Now let's sew it at the end, and just remind you to leave a longer tail for sewing. Perfect. And I also crocheted the legs. I'm changing the color for the legs according to the temperature scale. So now I'm using the light green, light blue, sorry, and the next month I will use the light green. Perfect. I sew the legs on the bottom side. It's cute, isn't it? Guys, I'm so happy how the April board turned out. Let's look at the colors. Wow, I used six colors for the April board. It's amazing. Light blue, light green, green, yellow, pink and violet. Amazing. So guys, this is it. I will keep continue crocheting, working on the May ball, and yeah, I will come back soon, at least next month. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy this vlog, this temperature vlog. Wish you really happy crocheting. Take care and bye for now. Bye bye.